Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you what kind of settings you can get for your ViewSonic VX2758. Now there is going to be a site called ratings.com where you're going to write ratings and this model. Then you just want to press Ctrl F here and go to ICC profile. So you can download our ICC profile here. So we're going to click here. And when you're going to download the ICC profile, then what is going to it's going to help you with coloring and things like that. So what you want to do now is go to Advanced Display Info on your Windows, Display Adapter, and now you can have color management, and here you would press and edit. So we would have added ICC, and this is how you're going to do it. So I hope it actually helped you regards your ViewSonic about the ICC profile, and I just want to share for that. So have a great day and goodbye.